Okay, hello, welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be a bit of a bonus video because I am gonna open the Glossy Box of November. This was sent to me by Glossy Box Sweden and I do receive these as PR, but the video is not sponsored. I don't have to open these here on my channel if I don't want to. But yeah, I'm really excited to open this anyways. I got this yesterday in the mail and today's Friday, so I had some time to sit down and actually show you what it looks like. But yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna post this, but I don't know if I'm gonna post this week. I don't think so. I did film this look, by the way, if you're wondering. I don't think it's up yet. I think it's gonna be up, or is it up? You know what, I'm confused. I don't know. If it's up, I'll leave it down below, but I don't think it's up yet. I think it's gonna be up next week. Glossy Box Sweden does come with a magazine as well, and this is what the magazine looks like this month. It is beautiful model on the front. I've always said that Glossy Box is a Swedish company, but there was actually someone correcting me in my Glossy Box calendar video where I opened the whole advent calendar. I'll leave that video down below if you want to check it out. It's actually quite an interesting video, and I found some really good items in that calendar that I actually been using after as well, and I actually think they're really good. I was really pleased with that calendar. But yeah, this and she told me that Glossy Box is actually not Swedish. It is a Swedish and German company. So it was founded in German, but by German and Swedish people. I don't know why Glossy Box told me that it was a Swedish company, and I should have checked it up. This is what happens when you trust people. This is what the trust has been broken, but yeah, this is a German and Swedish company, but it is available in a bunch of countries all over the world, including UK and US. So do check out Glossy Box down below to see if it is available in your country. It is a subscription box that comes once a month, and like I said, I do receive these as PR, but they're not sponsored. What do you want, sweetie? How can I help you? Nobody knows. And I do have a code with them that will save you 20% if you're in Sweden. It is not affiliated. I do not make any money from that code. Just so you know. I don't think that, hi sweetie, that Glossy Box has the same things in all over the world. There are different boxes in different kinds of different kinds of countries. Grammar out the window. But these are the things that are in the Swedish box, and maybe it could be a bit interesting for you to see what we get in our boxes, even though maybe you're not from Sweden. See, cat hairs are all over. This box is called Blooming Winter. Blooming Winter. I do love this box. Somehow this reminds me of like Swedish folklore. Really like it. So let's open the box and see what's inside. Did I mention everything I was supposed to mention? I don't know, I hope so. Anyways, I'm just opening these boxes for fun because it's nice to unbox things. And that's basically it. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's a beautiful string. My cat loves these. So maybe I should open and just give her the string. There's also a card here that I usually read. One sec. Sweetie! Where are you? Hey. Here you go. She's like, no. Okay, so this is the card. Oh, the back says what items we're getting, so I'm not gonna sneak peek. This says Blooming Winter. Blomstra i vinter. Samtidigt som naturen förbereder sig för ett vinterdvala laddar vi för årets partysäsong. Kraftsamla inför julen genom att unna dig ett fullpackat paket med beautygodis. Godis. If you're Swedish, you would have known how weird that was. Godis. I månadens box får du en härlig mix av hudvård och makeup. Bland annat body butter från Body Shop. Oh, you get a body butter? That is amazing! And this, I'm translating to English. I säsongens smarriga dofter, lyft på locket för att upptäcka produkterna som gör november lite härligare. Med Glossy Box får du alltid öppna klapparna innan jul. Oh, stay glossy. It says, blossom this winter. The same time as nature is preparing for the winter, we are preparing for this year's party season. Get some energy before the Christmas by unna. What would you say unna is? By treating yourself. Yeah, that's the one. Collect some energy for Christmas by treating yourself to a fully packed package with beauty candy. This month's box is a mix of skincare and makeup, amongst others the body butter from Body Shop and this season's yummy scents. Lift the lid to discover the products that will make November a bit better. With Glossy Box, you always get to open your Christmas gifts before Christmas. Stay glossy. So that is amazing. There's a little sticker here. Let's see if I can open this one and we can see what's inside. So this is what it looks like. And this is the box. Ooh! So I got a body butter. This seems to be like a deluxe sample. I don't really use... I've talked about this before on my channel. I don't use body lotions. I love Body Shop though. Body Shop is one of those brands and stores that I love but never visit. And I don't know why. But I do love their body butters, and I do like bringing small ones like these when I go abroad because I get really dry legs when I'm in the sun. So when I go abroad... I love bringing small ones like this for my legs because I do get dry legs in the summer. Not. Oh, this one is vanilla marshmallow. Ooh, body butter. This is really, it really has that like buttery sweet, like toasted marshmallow in the back. This one smells nice. I know that one of the other scents that they have is, what is it called? Like peppermint? I wish that I would have gotten peppermint. Do you know that if they sell these small ones? If they sell the small ones or if they only give out the small ones? Because I'd really like to try the peppermint one, but I wouldn't like to get a big one because I would never get through a big one. I'm gonna go actually, you know what? I'm gonna go and visit Body Shop and see if they have the small ones because I could see myself getting a small one with peppermint. I love peppermint and I do know that that is one of the scents for this Christmas. We got May Beauty The Incredible Pore Strip with charcoal. Removes blackheads. 2 strips. 2 strips. Okay. Make skin wet. Remove plastic cover. Place black side on skin. Let dry for 30 to 40 minutes. Sweetie, what are you doing? You're gonna have to live with that sound. She's doing something. Peel off and see the difference. Wash off any residue. For external use only. Who uses this for internal use? What happened to these to make them have to put for external use only? There are some really twisted people out there. But yeah, that is interesting. I don't really have any problems with blackheads, but my fiancé does. So I'm gonna get him to try this. Oh, there's 2. We can do them together. Oh, couples that mask together, stay together. Someone's shooting. Now she's eating the plants. This is the Bio Republic Skincare Pomegranate Crush Illuminating Fiber Sheet Mask with vitamin E for all skin types. Ooh. Ooh. Illuminating Fiber Sheet Mask. Brightening. That is nice. You know what? I love getting sheet masks. I've been getting so much into sheet masks lately. I try to I take double mask when I'm in the tub. I use, actually from Body Shop, I use the, I'm almost out of it. It's the blue corn, like face mask that has some like grains to it. I use the blue corn face mask. I let that dry. I take it off and then I use a sheet mask. That's like yummy when I'm in the bath. So I'm gonna put this in my little pile of sheet masks and try it. Illuminating. That sounds really yummy. This is the Dr. Pawpaw Original Balm. Multi-purpose soothing balm with natural pawpaw. What is pawpaw? For lips, skin, hair, and beauty finishing cuticles and nails. Wait. For lips, skin, hair, and beauty finishing cuticles and nails. I read that the whole wrong way. Dr. Pawpaw Balm provides relief for dry, irritated skin, moisturizes lips, nails, and cuticles, soothes dry, cracked skin such as hands, heels, and elbows. Used for adding finishing touches to hair and smoothing brows. Help with insect bites and minor abrasions. Oh, okay. This seems like something you should take traveling. Okay, the insect bite thing could be good because Sweden and mosquitoes, it's a lot. It's a lot. I don't really get dry, cracked skin anywhere, but I know my fiance gets it at times, so maybe this could be nice actually, like a multi-purpose thing. And it's yeah, I think that this is a good thing, and I like the size. You can put it in your handbag if you want to. I know a lot of people get like cracked cuticles during winter, so I think it's a nice thing to get. Oh, I think we got a liquid lipstick. I feel so attacked right now. We got the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick. Literally, I tell the internet that I'm taking a break from Huda Beauty, and I just get thrown Huda Beauty products left and right. I got the Huda Beauty highlighter palette in the Glossy Box calendar. I'm adding that to a giveaway because I'm not going to use it. I'm not using Huda Beauty at the moment. I'm just taking a break because she just got involved in so much drama. There was just so much around her, and always when that happens to a brand, I try to take a break from them and I see if it calms down or if the drama continues. So we're currently on a break, but this is the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in Crush. I don't really know if I like that it's like, I'm not going to use it, but I'm just going to look at the color. It seems to be a peachy nude. I don't know if I'm going to keep this or if I'm going to give this away. You know what? My mom likes liquid lipsticks. She might like this. I think I'm going to give this to my mom. My mom's going to like this. Is this plastic or glass? This could be glass. This could be glass, actually. I don't know how I feel about that. Or is it plastic? It could be plastic. You know what? It's probably plastic, but it seems like really heavy duty plastic. So I don't know if this is glass or plastic. It could actually be glass, to be honest. And it's really frosted, and you can see that it's really thick, so it's probably not that much product in it. 5 milliliters. Why did I read that? I don't know what's normal. I don't know if that's a lot or a little. But yeah, we got a Huda Beauty liquid lipstick full size. I do think it's a great thing to get in a box like this. Don't get me wrong. If I was still like buying from Huda Beauty, I'd be over the moon excited about this. I do think that this is such a good thing. This box was actually spectacular. This one we're gonna use. This one I'm super excited about, and I am excited about this. I'm gonna give it to my mom. My mom's gonna love it. She really loves like liquid lipsticks, and she has been using like pinks and reds for a really long time. And then last time I met her, she was like, you know what, I think I want to try one of those light browns that you have. She's referring to the news. So I think she's really gonna like that, actually. The more I think about it, the more I feel like that is such a good fit for her. And then we got the pore strips and the sheet mask. This was a great box. This was a great box. Wow. Okay, I am so impressed. The Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick, I don't know how much these are in US, but they are over $20 here in Sweden. The body butter, there's 60 crowns for a big tub, and this is a small one. So the big ones are 50. Okay, so no, wait. Oh, so these, the small, okay. Oh, they do sell these then. Because these are 60 crowns, like small ones. What is that, like $7? I don't know. Does that seem right? I don't know. But they do seem to sell the small ones. That is good. I'm gonna go to Body Shop and buy another one. The pore strips are 200 crowns for 12, so it's like $20 for 12 and you got 2. I think that's a nice thing to be able to try those. And then the sheet mask, it's 69 crowns, so that is like $7 or $7-8 as well for a sheet mask, so I think that's really nice. And then the balm is 25 milliliters. Also, this is a full size, and that is 79 crowns, so that's like $8-9 then for a full size. You know what, I think that this is such a good box. This might be the best box this year, and even though I'm not like over the moon about Huda right now, I think it's an amazing product to get in a box like this, and my mom's gonna be super excited to receive that. I think I'm gonna give that to her for her birthday, together with some other things, because my mom's birthday is on the 25th of December, which is Christmas if you're not living in a country like mine where we celebrate Christmas on the 24th. So it's always really expensive in Christmas because you have to get Christmas gifts for everyone, and my brothers have so many kids right now. And then it's my mom's birthday, and you know what? My fiance's birthday is the 23rd of December. What is this? Trying to ruin me. Going bankrupt over here. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this. Don't forget to subscribe. cat hair everywhere. I do upload quite a lot of videos. There's gonna be one video every day for the whole of December, and that's pretty soon. I'm so excited. And tomorrow's gonna be a new makeup releases, going on the wishlist or not, so don't forget to check in then, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!